Hey guys, now let's go back to our childhood yet again, when we would take pieces of paper and just do an accordion fold and make fans. I'm not going to keep folding this one, but you remember what I'm talking about. We would come up with something like this. Okay, this can make a really cute garland or something to just hang on its own. But once you get this one done, if you pull it out like this, you get a nice little drape. And if you make one a little bit smaller and attach to it here, it's adorable. And then you just keep going, big, little, and it makes a really nice garland. You could even, if you was going to make a garland with it, once you had them all attached, if you had maybe, if you was putting happy birthday, for example, you could hang the letter H off of this, or, you know, spell out the child's name or something like that, or you could just put the letter right on the fan, either one, but that makes a really cute garland like that. You could also not do the little ones and just do the same size, maybe in multicolors or something like that. So look, you know, how cute that is at just a little quick accordion fold. Now another thing you can do with the accordion fold is, I want to show you, I'm going to stretch this out real quick. This was some little bits of paper I had left over. So as you can see, they're not the same size. They're kind of jagged, but I glued them all together and then I just accordion folded. Okay. You get us a tight little fold in there. Now if you put a piece of string right here and you just let that drop, you could pull it out however you wanted and just have the streamer look with it. You know, have these in different lengths hanging down. Or you could also, I guess, hang it kind of like that too, like a typical garland. But I thought they would be cute, just hanging like a streamer. And then the other thing is, after you get your folds completed, connect them right around here like this, so that you're looking at more of a cylinder. Once you have got your little cylinder made, you're going to kind of squeeze it in down there at the bottom and then pull the top, and you're going to open it up into a little circle. And you'll want to go ahead and glue this, because there's pressure on that from where it fanned out all the way around. See, it'll want to pop up on you. But if you get that glued, maybe let it pop up a little. I'll just put some glue in and show you. Okay, just put a little blob in there and then push it back down so that that center closes. And you'll want to hold it while that glue sets up. But, you know, poke a little hole in this and hang it with some string, and it's cute too, in a full circle instead of the half fan. And there's nothing easier than doing accordion folds, right? So all of these, I hope all of these paper crafts that I've been showing you, as cute as they are, I have been able to show you that it's quick, it's easy, and it's affordable. Never feel like, no matter how budgeted you are, that you wouldn't be able to make a big impact, okay? And other things to keep in mind is the glitter, is the flat back rhinestones, the little, you know, cut cheap plastic. I call them rhinestones, but they're not. They're plastic. Acrylic, I guess. You can usually get a sheet of those at Walmart. They're sticky backed. Now, if you use those, I would still put some glue on it. That sticky back is nice, but not for something like this, where it may not be laying exactly flat. You'd want to really put a glob of glue back there and just lay it right down into the glue. But little things like that can also jazz this up. Or curly ribbon. Maybe you could do 2 or 3 little curls of ribbon and hang off the edge, or even in the center there, and let it hang down like that. You're not limited at all, just by your imagination. So that's some ideas, though. The glitter, the rhinestone studs, ribbons, you know, any of that is cute.